Get more zoom out of your smartphone. Smartphone cameras have come a long way over the years, and most new smartphones are packing high-quality lenses in such a small device. But there are ways to get even more out of your smartphone camera with aftermarket lenses. In this video, we are going to look at some awesome add-ons you can get today to turn your smartphone camera into an even better photography machine. Aftermarket lenses can significantly enhance the capabilities of your smartphone's camera, allowing you to capture images that might not be possible with the built-in lens. They come in a variety of types, including wide-angle, telephoto, macro, and fisheye. High-quality aftermarket lenses can improve the sharpness and clarity of your photos. They can also reduce distortion, especially in wide-angle and macro photography. Using different lenses can add a new dimension to your photography, allowing you to experiment with different perspectives and effects. These aftermarket lenses are typically small and lightweight, making them easy to carry around. If you don't want to invest in a high-end camera, purchasing a few lenses for your smartphone is a much more affordable way to enhance your photography. Remember, the effectiveness of these lenses may vary depending on the specific model of your smartphone. Here's our list of awesome smartphone lens add-ons, starting with telephoto lenses. Apexel 36x telephoto lens. The Apexel is one of the best options if you are looking for versatility and compatibility, as you can use it in combination with your phone to take pictures at a great distance, or you can use it as a monocular to observe wildlife. Although it's relatively inexpensive, it's made of very good quality materials, a feature that catches your attention from the first contact with the product. You'll find that this is the predominant opinion among most users, favoring the Apexel for its sturdy build. The images you'll get using the Apexel are incredible. Its user experience is awesome, and it offers almost premium quality for little money. However, the supposed universal compatibility of this product was widely criticized because all iPhone 14 models cannot be synchronized well with it. Furthermore, it sometimes has a relatively slow focus compared to other products. In conclusion, with the right phone, this can be the best choice if you want a long-distance telephoto lens for a low price. Remember that this telephoto lens is designed to work with phones that have one or more working cameras. This phone lens can fit most popular types and models of smartphones, but not all. You can find both the price and phone compatibility list on the link below. Moment 58mm tel lens. On the other hand, if you want something portable and portrait-oriented, this could be the best option for you. The Moment 58mm is probably in the top 3 best-selling lens for cell phones, and it has earned that place fairly, as it's an awesome, high-quality product. Comparing it to the Apexel telephoto lens makes no sense, as their functions are very different. Unlike the Apexel, the Moment lens is not designed to capture images at long distances or to be used as a monocular. It weighs around 73 grams and comes with a stylish case to mount it on. The quality shows through the feel of the product, although there have been some complaints about the case mount. It has 4 times optical magnification, and you'll be able to capture a nice bokeh effect using the lens, but again, just make sure you have a compatible phone before buying. It's recommended for phones like the iPhone 13 and Pixel 6. It also works with newer models like the iPhone 15, but you can get sharper quality with the newer T model lenses on newer phones. Best wide-angle lenses. Moment wide-angle lens. Not only has Moment defined this product as the best lens they have ever made, but it is also the favorite of many users who use it every day with their projects. If you are a beginner, you probably won't be able to squeeze 100% of what this product has to offer, but it will certainly help you to develop as a photographer and filmmaker. Thanks to its 18mm focal length, you will be able to capture incredible scenes and wide landscapes with extraordinary quality for a phone. It's also highly portable and compatible with many devices. It weighs around only 71 grams, making it still a portable, lightweight option. But remember that this type of lens is not meant for zooming like the previous products. In fact, its magnification ratio is only 0.63. In conclusion, if you are looking to make a truly noticeable quality leap in your photos or videos, this is an incredible option. Depending on where you get it, you may need to purchase the case to mount the lens separately. Make sure you check your phone's compatibility before buying and see the link below for the updated price. Best macro lenses. Moment 10x macro. If your interest is in capturing small objects, the Moment 10x macro may be the option for you. The level of detail you can achieve is impressive, as this lens offers an extremely sharp and bright close-up, capturing every texture at a very high image quality. Despite having a 10x magnification ratio, you'll be able to use this lens extremely close to your object and get smooth, detailed results for a smartphone camera. While it's true that modern phones will better suit this product's features, you'll still be able to use it on most phones thanks to the adaptable case being used to mount the lens. Keep in mind that Moment T-series lenses require a case in order to be used. Sanmark macro lens. On the other hand, if you are an iPhone user, the Sanmark can be a great option for a macro lens, since this product is exclusive to iPhones. As we mentioned before, do not forget to specify the model of your cell phone in order to receive the right case before getting it. If you have an iPhone 13 or higher, you'll probably not be fully satisfied with the macro function, as these phones use the wide-angle camera to create macro images, which is why they do not define depth and background in detail. When compared to the Moment lens, it seems slightly less sharp, but you can still get great quality out of it for the price. It's also really lightweight at only around 25.5 grams. Best fisheye lenses. Moment 14mm fisheye lens. Another excellent Moment product makes this list for its awesome fisheye lens. If you're looking for depth in your photography, you'll want to check this out. In fact, it has a whopping 170-degree field of view, which is great for a smartphone fisheye lens. Although this may put people off, as the first impression makes you think of dark edges or vignetting, but this lens still does a good job to deliver awesome quality. It's worth mentioning that it works with the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8, but check compatibility first. If you have other phones, it's slightly heavier than the others at around 73.1 grams, but still portable enough to take around with you. Last on our list is the Sirui fisheye phone lens. This lens is crafted with professional optical glass and aviation aluminum and features a 5x5 coating to effectively reduce glare, reflections, and ghosting. The Sirui lens also has a field of view of 170 degrees, and it weighs around 54 grams, making it lighter than the Moment lens. It's perfect for capturing stunning and unique angles not possible with standard smartphone lenses. The resolution is said to be great, and it's supposed to handle vignetting really well. Check our phone's compatibility on all the products mentioned in this video first, and check our links below for updated pricing. That's our list of best lenses for smartphones. Remember to choose yours based on your photography purpose. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. See you in the next one.